Everyone, hope you all are well. In this video I will make you understand that how can you learn Microsoft Excel in mobile also. In this video we will learn basic like how can you type in Microsoft Excel mobile, how can you type 1 2 3 4 like this. We will learn basic here. So first you need to download Microsoft Excel. After that need to click on open. After clicking on open you will get one option of sign up and sign in later. You can choose any of the option. In sign up we will create one account, and in sign in later we will create an account later. After that here you will get one option of plus icon. Just click on this, and from here you will get many templates, but you need to click on blank workbook. Just click on blank workbook. After that you can see, just a minute, I will sign in later. Here you will get many cell, okay, like this. Suppose you want to write something, okay, first you need to drag this and you need to make its size bigger, okay. After that suppose you want to write something, let me show you. Just click on this and click on edit. You will get one edit option here. Click on edit, and here suppose, just a second, click on edit, and here your keyboard will open. Suppose I have written roll number, okay. After that I have written 1 here and I have written 2 here, okay. Now just click on these two, and from here you will get one option of fill. Click on fill, and like here you can see, you can drag it till how much you want to drag. So suppose I want to drag it till 50, so okay, just a second, and you can see till number 50 it automatically came. And here you can write any text or formula if you want to write, okay. Like this you can work in MS Excel in mobile also. It's much simple to work in MS Excel in mobile. Now suppose if you want to write some name here, okay, you can write name also. So in first option we write roll number, and here we want to write the name of student. So here we will write name of, just a second, name of student. After that we need to write a name here, like suppose we written a name Lokesh Agarwal. If you want to write any other name, you can write any other name also. I am just making you understand that how can you create MS Excel mobile also. It's much simple, and in one day only you can learn the basic only. That how can you create MS Excel mobile. Like this you can do. I am not making a longer video on this, just a simple video that how to write a number and name on MS Excel mobile. If you like this video, please comment below. I will continue the series, okay. It's upon you only. And here we'll get one symbol, okay, sort and filter, number filter, filter item, sort ascending, sort descending, which you can see here. If you want to insert table, you can insert table also after opening a ribbon. And here you can get a formula table, okay. If you want to check date and time, you can check date and time also. Like suppose I have written here, in year I have written 1999, in month I have written 6, and in day I have written 11. So let me show you this, like this. See here date also come 11 June 1999. So it's much simple. You can do what you want, okay. So I'm discontinuing the video from here, okay. I'm not making a longer video so that you don't get bored. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you want to watch more video related to MS Excel in mobile series.